How to update Chase app. Open your device app store, then tap on the search bar and type Chase Mobile. Locate the Chase Mobile app in the search result. Check if there is an update button next to the app. If an update button is present, tap on it. Wait for the update to download and install. Ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi for a faster update process. Open the Chase mobile app after the update completes. Log in with your credentials if required. Verify the app version in the settings menu to confirm the update. Restart your device if you encounter any issues post-update. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.